A patriotic name does not equal real UK regulation. ukinvestmentcenter.com presents itself as an investment platform that suggests credibility by referencing the United Kingdom directly in its domain name. The branding is clearly designed to create an impression of stability, regulation, and financial authority. However, in the financial industry, geographic wording in a domain does not automatically confirm supervision by a national regulator. Regulation must be independently verified, not assumed. The platform appears to operate as an online broker or investment intermediary, potentially offering access to forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, or CFD trading instruments. While the website may use confident language about security, professionalism, or client success, these are marketing elements. They are not substitutes for a confirmed regulatory license. Searches conducted through official regulatory databases, including the Financial Conduct Authority at register.fca.org.uk, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission at cisec.gov.cy, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission at connectonline.asic.gov.au, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission at sec.gov, and FINRA BrokerCheck at brokercheck.finra.org, do not clearly confirm a licensed entity directly associated with ukinvestmentcenter.com. Verification through official regulatory registers does not confirm the presence of a license. For a company that implies a connection to the United Kingdom, the absence of confirmation in the FCA register is particularly concerning. A legitimate UK-based broker must be authorized by the FCA. Such authorization requires compliance with strict standards, including capital adequacy requirements, segregation of client funds, detailed reporting obligations, and participation in compensation schemes designed to protect retail investors. An unlicensed broker is not obligated to follow these protections. If problems occur, including withdrawal issues, investors may have no effective regulatory authority to escalate complaints to. This significantly increases financial risk. If the platform offers CFD trading or leveraged instruments, the exposure becomes even more dangerous. CFDs are high-risk derivative products that allow speculation on price movements without owning the underlying asset. Leverage can magnify gains, but also dramatically increase losses. In regulated markets, leverage for retail traders is restricted to reduce systemic risk. When high leverage is offered by an unlicensed broker, losses can accumulate rapidly. Additionally, in many CFD models, the broker acts as the counterparty to the client's trade, creating a built-in conflict of interest. Without regulatory supervision, that conflict remains unchecked. Corporate transparency is another critical factor. A legitimate investment firm clearly discloses the legal entity operating the platform, provides a verifiable company registration number, lists a physical office address, and publishes detailed client agreements and risk disclosures. If ukinvestmentcenter.com does not provide independently verifiable legal information, investors are effectively transferring funds to an unidentified operator. That is a serious risk in any financial transaction. Technical indicators also matter. Many questionable investment platforms rely on recently registered domains, privacy-protected WHOIS records, and generic website templates. While privacy protection is not illegal, financial intermediaries handling client capital are generally expected to maintain a high degree of transparency. A limited domain history combined with the absence of confirmed licensing significantly increases the overall risk profile. Common red flags associated with an investment scam may include lack of confirmed regulatory authorization, absence of a recognized supervisory authority, limited corporate transparency, no verified investor protection mechanisms, high-risk leverage trading such as CFDs, and potential withdrawal issues in case of disputes. When these warning signs appear together, caution becomes essential. To avoid similar fraud risks, investors should verify every broker exclusively through official regulatory databases. Always confirm that the exact legal entity name and domain are listed in the FCA register if the broker claims UK presence. Never rely solely on certificates, logos, or regulatory claims displayed on a website without independent confirmation. Be cautious of high-leverage offers, guaranteed returns, or aggressive sales tactics encouraging quick deposits. Legitimate brokers do not guarantee profits and do not pressure clients into immediate funding decisions. Pay attention to vague legal language, missing corporate disclosures, and overly generic website design, as these are often early indicators of a potential scam. In conclusion, ukinvestmentcenter.com cannot be considered a clearly regulated or legally verified broker based on publicly available information. The absence of confirmed licensing, combined with risk-intensive trading features and limited transparency, creates a high-risk environment for investors. Our experts recommend refraining from any financial interaction with this project. In financial markets, regulation is the foundation of trust. Without it, the risk of fraud, capital loss, and unresolved withdrawal issues increases significantly. A British-sounding name may inspire confidence. Only verified regulation provides protection.